Hi, it's Jamie with Jamie's Arts a la Cartes. Thank you very much for joining me. I have a fun project planned for us today. I hope this video inspires you to create something of your own. If you would, hit the like button and share the video with your friends. That helps me to grow this channel and to continue to bring you new projects. If you haven't subscribed yet, would you please consider subscribing? And if you have, thank you very much. Well, we have a lot to do, so let's get to it. Hi, it's Jamie with Jamie's Arts a la Cartes. Thank you so much for joining me. I found this old wooden doll chair, high chair, and I decided to go ahead and get it and restore it, fix it up, and then give it to a special little girl with an 18-inch doll. So it's really kind of cool. It lifts up and everything. It has this coat of paint that's been on here for a good hot minute, and so basically my husband has sprayed it down with a hose because it had a good thick layer of dust on it. And now I'm going to just take my yellow cleaner and wipe the whole thing down, let it dry, and then we're going to put a coat of purple paint on it and then see if it needs more than one coat. So let's go ahead and get to cleaning. I see that underneath is just raw wood, so we're going to address that. We probably will paint the underneath first and just sort of go from there. But yeah, it's raw wood underneath and then on the feet. So I think that's where I want to start, only because that'll help me get my paint. If it's not mixed completely, I'd rather start down here and then be able to hide that. I've given it a good shake, but let me go ahead and get it all wiped down and then we will get started on this fun little project. Alright, our paint is all dry, so now I'm going to put some varnish on the surface just to hold it, help it to last. Just a real quick coating here. Alright, there is the back. I'm going to get the tray here. Then we'll let everything dry, and then we'll give everything one final coat over all of it. And then it will be ready to put in the gift piles that we're going to give away this year. Alright, there is our painted surface. Get my brush cleaned up, but there is all of it. It's got a good coat of varnish on it. We'll let it dry, and then we'll varnish the whole thing, and then let that dry completely. Phew, how about that? It's turned out kind of pretty. Well, I hope you've enjoyed this little video. This was the feature piece, but I went ahead and did this one also. So now each dolly has their own chair. How fun was this? Well, I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, like it, share it with your friends. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, would you please consider subscribing? And well, until next time, happy crafting.